the Supreme Court, with the Chief Justice also mentioning that the matter will be heard. So it has been listed for Wednesday, and the Supreme Court has said that it will pass orders that should actually be followed. Now, the Delhi air pollution matter has in fact been mentioned in the Supreme Court. Remember, we're looking at a crisis where the air quality index has reached as much as 500 in some locations. So it's an air emergency, and the top court has now taken note, and the matter has now been listed for Wednesday, when the Chief Justice will be taking up the matter. And the top court has also made a big observation, going on to say that the court will actually pass an order that can be followed and that should be followed in the Delhi NCR region. Now remember, it's the same story every single year, and this time around the situation looks much worsened. Legal editor Harish Nair joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Harish, very clearly, the air emergency is for all to see. The judges have also taken note. The Supreme Court is all set to take up the hearing on Wednesday. What is expected? Because the Chief Justice, the Supreme Court has also made a mention of the severe quality of air that we are breathing.
Yes, it has actually, in fact, Pratibha, even the Chief Justice.
All right, we'll try and connect that line with Harish yet again. But the Supreme Court has now also taken up the issue of the AQI. Now, remember, this is significant because there are people who are complaining about the air quality. It has reached a hazardous category, and previously as well, the Chief Justice had made a mention of the air quality and the measures that can be taken as well. And the Chief Justice had also allowed the lawyers to appear virtually because the AQI has breached the severe mark. Now, in the Delhi NCR region, it's not just in Delhi, but in the entire NCR region as well, the AQI has reached very severe category, dangerous category in some, and unfortunately this seems to be the situation each time. With that, let's cut across to Parliament as well, where the issue is likely to come up.
रैली में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए बात कहा गया है।